Jennifer Byard is the founder of Montgomery County Friends of the Shelter.
This is Cammie. She's about 2 years old, and she's had a litter. Thank you. Had a litter of puppies. She's very affectionate, very sweet girl. She's just starting to play, starting to loosen up enough to play. Very, very scared of men when she came in. She's getting over that, so she's kind of overcoming her fears. But she's still a little nervous of loud noises, so she'd like to go to a quiet home so she can get over those fears. But she's a sweet, sweet girl. We're just kind of trying to find her a good place to be. She's she's very sweet. We're very smitten with each other, but she knows I'm a boxer person. You want your baby? You want your baby? You want your baby? Come here. Get your toy. Get your toy. Get your toy. You're not a lap dog.
She sure thinks she is.
I think I'm a lap dog, but I'm not a lap dog. So I guess I could be.
Byard said Cammie is spayed, fully vetted, and ready to go.